Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you how I can make lists. So the first way is I can create an unordered list with the URL tag. And now I've got URL tag, which is an unordered list tag. And inside it, the first element would be list. The first element could be carrots. Oh, like and tomato, tomato, and then tomato. So after like peas and I and now that's a list. And if I want to create an ordered list, which the order should matter, so I can add O tag ordered list. And now if I open add, so this should be an unordered list. But if I wanted an ordered list, it should be like this. I can create an H1 tag. How to make how to make noodle. How to make how to make I can write grocery. Now it should be item because I need to know how to make Maggie. So the first could be turn on the could be I can write add water into the bowl and to a bowl and that and then boil it. After that I can I can add I can add have it add Maggie inside it? Add Maggie and after that add chilies. So, like, and after that the last list should be it could be chili. It could be chill. They should be chill. And now I open this. So it's a number list. So this is it first in an unordered list. The HTML could add it up and this could be down. But in an ordered list, this could be just on the top. This can be just on the second. Now I can also do a thing which could be okay. So this is all for today. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning.